Before we get into this, just a quick reminder to subscribe. All right, let's go. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is my unboxing of my first MCM bag. And let me just tell you what happened. So I actually did this already, but it wasn't in focus properly. So I'm gonna do it again. You won't see me because she is not put together today. Glamorous Lexi is very unglamorous right now. Going through a lot. So, alright, I cannot rewrap the dust bag in what it was wrapped in, but when I opened the box, it had this with this seal. Wrapped in some, white tissue paper. Very nice. This is the box. When you open it, you see that. Very nice detailing. I got a thank you card from them, and this is a thank you card that came with it. Cute. And then another thank you, and this is the details about the bag, which I will go ahead and tell you. This is the Essential Boston bag. It retails for $875. And with tax and everything, it came up to $927.50. So that's that. I mean, I don't want to put my information out there, but that's what it is. Okay, let's put that to the side. Let's get down to the greatness. Hold on. Just need to make sure that the camera is going to catch this because I know it's something to be caught. So here is the dust bag. Really nice, thick, good quality. I was so excited because it's my very first MCM bag, and I'm finding that I'm very into their bags. You know, I've been watching them for a while, so this was like my first big purchase from them. So like I said, this is a Boston bag. It has this nice little detail thing. It has a lot of weight. Feels good, doesn't feel cheap. This is the bag itself, and I promise you it's more gorgeous in person. Like I had to have it. So you can carry it like this, or it has the long strap, which is just a plain black strap. It has a do not remove this tag until you are sure you're happy with your purchase. This item cannot be accepted for return once this tag has been removed. I'm gonna remove this tag. I'm happy with my purchase. But let me open it and show you the inside. So of course, all that comes stuff to maintain the shape, which I will be keeping that. And I got this, desiccant stuff, a few bags of it. It kills moisture so things don't get messed up. So inside the bag, it just has one storage pocket right here. Oh, what's in here? Something is in here. Hold on. Okay. It's, the 1-year limited warranty. And then this is something, a scan code for something. Oh, it's scanned for the maintenance guide and instructions. Okay. So you get a warranty and a maintenance guide in there. So that's good. I'll be saving that. And I just love the space of this bag. I love the shape. I love the design. I love all this. This is really, really nice. And you guys will definitely be seeing some really nice pictures with this bag. And you'll probably see it like, 1 to 500 times because, $875, $927 with tax. Oh yes. Yeah, I know I'm going to get my money worth out of this. I am so excited to wear this bag. I think I'm going to wear this tomorrow. So y'all might be getting some pictures with the video. Who knows? Ooh, I don't want to mess it up. This is just a really beautiful bag. They had so many other things. I did go ahead and purchase another bag, so there will be another unboxing when that one arrives. I purchased another bag before I even got this one. Yeah. So yes, I just wanted to share that with you guys. My first MCM bag. So yeah, I'm gonna zip her back up, put her back in her dust bag with my scissors. I am okay with removing this tag because guess what? They said don't remove it unless you're happy with your purchase. I'm happy. It's not going back. See that? Immediately. My freaking... all that. It's not going back. It's mine forever. So she's going back in the dust bag. And she is going into my closet. And I'm probably going to pull her out tomorrow. But yes, I just definitely wanted to share this moment with you guys. And I have more content coming. A lot of things coming. I'm always working on stuff. And I just hope that you stay subscribed. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Share my videos. Like, comment, subscribe. And I will see you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I will see you next time. Bye.